Why slow and steady fat loss is a terrible idea. Here's the science. Fact number 1. Losing fat slowly is murder on your metabolism. Scientists from Newcastle University tested this. They took 3 groups of overweight men and put them on a diet. The first group had it the toughest. They followed an extreme diet just for 6 days. The second group followed a slightly easier low diet for 3 weeks. The third group followed an even easier reduced calorie diet for 6 weeks. All groups ended up losing approximately 5% of their body weight. About 10 pounds. The difference is how long it took. Group 1 lost the 10 pounds in just 6 days. Group 2 did it in 3 weeks. Group 3 did it in 6 weeks. No surprise there. But what is surprising is that resting metabolism dropped the most in the 6-week diet group. The 3-week diet group saw the second biggest drop in resting metabolism. And the 6-day, extreme diet group saw the smallest drop in resting metabolism. So the research is clear. Losing fat slowly is horrible for your metabolism. Hold on because it gets even worse. Fact number 2. Trying to lose weight slowly kills your chances of losing pure fat. Check it out. Researchers took a group of mice and put them on a 5% caloric restricted diet. This means they ate 5% fewer calories than usual. This is the very definition of a slow and steady diet. The opposite of a crash diet. If you are interested, please click the link below the video. So we'd expect good results, right? Wrong. In just 3 weeks of this slow and steady diet, here's what happened to these rats. Fat mass went up. They gained fat. Lean mass decreased. They lost lean mass. There was a decrease in their total energy expenditure, they became less active, there was a decrease in their resting energy expenditure, metabolism slowed down. So clearly trying to lose weight with a mild 5% caloric deficit is a recipe for disaster if you are a rat. But humans are different, right? Not so fast. Check out fact number 3 to see why slow and steady fat loss is a bad idea for us humans too. Yeah, I know this flies in the face of what most personal trainers will tell you. But honestly, most personal trainers are clueless. Scientists, actual smart people, conduct actual double-blind experiments, and here's what they've found. Fact number 3. Losing fat slowly is horrible for your hormones. Ever heard the idea that you should lose fat slowly because if you lose fat too fast it will mess with your hormones? Turns out that's nothing more than an old wives' tale. Here's the truth. A human study examining the effects of long-term mild caloric deficit dieting in humans found that long-term dieters suffered from 78% lower testosterone levels and 28% lower VO2 max levels. The research is clear. Slow and steady dieting is horrible for your hormones and your testosterone levels. Here's the final kick in the teeth. Fact number 4. If you lose fat slowly, you're more likely to gain it all back. I know this is surprising because we've always been told that crash dieting leads to yo-yo weight gain. But science paints a different picture. A long-term analysis of European dieters showed that dieters who lost the most weight during an initial 8-week diet phase were the most successful at keeping the weight off 6 months later. This principle held true even when the dieters were using a very low-calorie approach, less than 800 calories a day, during their initial weight loss phase. Scientifically validated research proves that if you want to lose weight and keep it off, you should lose the weight fast. I could go on all day shattering popular fat loss myths, but I think you're starting to get the picture. If you want to get lean, do it fast. Like ripping off a band-aid. For those willing to pull out all the stops and get lean as fast as humanly possible, I wrote a book called The Underground Fat Loss Manual. If you are interested, please click the link below the video.